Hey guys! Welcome back to Rainbow Brush with me, Simon. Today we're going to show you how to draw Wolverine. People say I look like Wolverine. No, they don't. Who's your favourite superhero? There's lots of superheroes out. Batman, Superman, Wolverine, Iron Man, Aquaman. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel as well at some point through this video. Just click subscribe at the bottom of the video down here. You can also like us on Facebook. Tons of videos to share and look at on YouTube. Showing you how to draw things from Peppa Pig through to baseball bats, tech from the 80s, and superheroes. Dun, dun, dun. We love a good superhero. Wolverine's been in loads of films. Saving the world, Wolverine. Have you seen the film Wolverine yet? If you're not old enough to watch Wolverine yet, don't worry. As soon as you become old enough, you can just get it on video, get it on DVD, watch it via your computer, whatever. Check it out. Look, he's got a very stern look, Wolverine. Looks like a superhero, very serious, and I will save you, because I am Wolverine. Because when drawing a person with a face, a lot of that's intricate drawing. We try and keep it as simple as we can for you here, but the intricacy might be better for you to use a pencil at first, instead of going like we're attacking this one now with a permanent marker. Get yourself a pencil, draw it first in pencil so that you're happy with the finished design, that when you've finished it and you can see the pencil lines, you can either rub them out, that will leave a tracing line underneath, where you can just draw on that in a black pen, black permanent marker like we are here, or just go over the pencil if you're happy that you can go over those lines perfectly. Just go over them with a black marker. What you can do is choose a thicker black marker than your pencil. Then it's much easier to cover the pencil lines up. And then when you come to colouring your drawing at the end of it, again, what you can do then, if you let the black outline marker pen dry 100%, you've got to make sure it's dry. When you come to colour it in, you can overlap your colours onto the black marker pen and it won't smudge. It makes it so much easier to colour in at the end of it. It's great. We have to give our superheroes sort of super looking powers. So look how muscly made his legs look. Get the definition. Use those curves on the legs. Use the curves on the legs to make him look muscly. Again, on the arm there, looks like he's got big, powerful, muscly arms. Which, to be fair, Wolverine must have, because he's a superhero. So Wolverine is from the Marvel Comics. They do two sets of comics that do superheroes. You've got the DC Comics and the Marvel Comics. Wolverine comes from the Marvel Comics. Again, don't forget to check out our YouTube page anytime you like. You can always subscribe to our page here. Just click the subscribe button at the bottom of this drawing, and or join our Facebook page too. Catch us on Facebook. Rainbow Brush we're under on Facebook, and Rainbow Brush here on YouTube. He could go to a restaurant, couldn't he, all on his own? Not use a knife and fork and just chop his stuff up. Stan Lee designed Wolverine. Stan Lee designed lots of superheroes. It's cool. There we go. Quick colouring of Wolverine. Yellow suit, grey suit, flesh-coloured skin. He looks evil, mean, and more than that, he looks superhero. And that's how to draw Wolverine. If you want to know again, just watch this video again, or pause the video at any point, and I'll give you all the details. I'll catch you next time on Rainbow Brush. Bye-bye. See you next time.